demonstrate the Ninja Super Shop. So I just get the new Ninja and it's amazing to cut onion, to cut garlic, to mince herbs, to do ingredients like sauces and dressing. And there was like different color, like green and red and every purple. I wanted my purple one, but unfortunately they didn't have anymore. So I take black and I think that's alright. So today we're gonna do tomate provençal. It's mean tomato with some garlic and basil, and we're gonna put in a dish and put in the oven. So let's get started. Let's cook, shall we? Alright, okay. So first, what we're gonna do, we went to the kitchen and rinse the tomato first and the basil. And here we have some salt and pepper. Alright. We have a dish to put the tomato. And we have a empty container or plate or something to put the inside of the tomato so we can put more of the basil and the garlic paste that we're gonna do with the Ninja. So what do you need to do the tomatoes provençal? Is very simple. You need some tomatoes that we went to the kitchen and you washed previously. You need some basil. You need some salt and pepper. You need some garlic. You need some olive oil. You need a knife, a fork, a knife, a spoon, a cutting board, an empty plate. So then we're gonna put the inside of the tomato here in this empty plate, and a dish that's gonna go to the oven. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna take the tomatoes and open it in two, like that. So you're gonna do with all of them. Alright, just cut it. Nice tomatoes. This one I think is a Roma's tomato and they are very delicious. So you open like a couple of tomatoes like that. You can do maybe one or two more. Okay, I guess I'm gonna do one more. And then you're gonna take your spoon and empty the inside and put in the plate. Alright, we won't need this one. So then you gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper inside. There we go. I make a mix salt and pepper already, so it's more simple. It's nice. So then we're gonna discard this one, we don't need it anymore. You can of course keep the pulp of the tomato if you like. I will make a tomato sauce with, so that's just up to you what you want to do. Alright, so now we're gonna use the Ninja. There we go. And so how it's happened, this is like the top and that's the bottom. And what you're gonna do, you see it's open like that, never been used before, first time. That things go here, you see. And then we're gonna put the basil here. Take a good bunch of it. I hope you can see it. Right, here we go. Okay. Oh. Don't hesitate because it's a very good chopper and it will get everything chopped in a few seconds. You're gonna see it, guys. Fantastic, really very good. Okay, so I guess that's about it. And you're gonna put some olive oil. There we go. Like that. And then you're gonna peel your garlic. I'm gonna show you a trick to make it faster. Put under the cutting board and then you smash it. And normally it will be easier to peel. See? Put the lid on the top, like here. Just like that. Cleaning. Here we go. Stuff on the top. There we go. So let's see what's happening here. Look at that. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Just like in a few seconds. And you're gonna take another spoon. There we go. And then you remove this little guy. You take your tomatoes near you. There we go. Let me clean a little bit that mess here. I don't need that anymore. Alright. This one. And then we just gonna put on the tomato a small spoon each. So you can get the chopper on our store at Sexy Gourmet Chef in the cookware section, and it's a very good one. It's very simple, it's very small, and I love it. Actually, it's one of the best little gadgets, I would say, that I recommend really because I love it so much. Okay, so we have your tomatoes. This look like that. And now you're gonna put in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at medium heat.